Hello students, welcome back in EVS class. We are doing chapter 8, Air Around Us. So take out page number 62 everyone. This is activity time. Now see which activity is this. Air is everywhere, even in an empty bottle. Let us do an experiment to learn about it. Yes children, we read in this chapter that air is present all around us. So from this activity you will come to know that how the air is present all around us. Take an empty bottle. Try to push this bottle in a bucket full of water without fitting. See the picture and just imagine, or you can do one thing, you can take the bottle and the bucket full of water and then do the experiment side by side with me. Does the bottle go into a water? Now you will see the water goes into the bottle or no. Yes or no you will write yourself by doing this activity. Then second, now tilt the bottle. What do you observe? Do you see any bubbles coming from the bottle? Yes or no you will write yes. If you see the bubbles, write yes. If you know, then write the no. The bottle is filled with air. It does not let the water come inside the bottle. When we tilt the bottle, air comes out in the form of bubbles. Then water enters the bottle. And this experiment shows that air is present everywhere. So you will come to know when you will do this experiment. Do it and then see the air is how the air is present all around us. Okay, now see what are the causes of air pollution. So they are the pollution of air. Now let's study. The air gets polluted due to the following reasons. First is smoke from vehicles such as cars, buses, trucks and aeroplanes. Yes children, when the cars, buses, trucks, aeroplanes, they leave the smoke, that smoke when this smoke mixed with the air which is present all around us, then it creates a air pollution, and this smoke is very harmful for us because we will get many diseases with this. Next, burning of garbage in the open. Yes, when we burn the garbage, you know garbage itself, it is a chemical. So when we burn, so many harmful chemicals also pollute the environment. It also mixes with the air and it pollutes the environment. Third, smoke and gases from the factories. Yes, from the factories and gases, the harmful smoke which is coming out, that also pollutes the environment and the air. Burning of firecrackers. Yes, on Diwali many of you burning the firecrackers, but you know the firecrackers, they pollute the air, and when they pollute the air, so the harmful chemicals, they also get, you also get the many diseases from the harmful chemicals which are coming from the crackers. Next is burning of petrol and coal. Yes, when we burn the petrol and coal, then also it pollutes the environment or air. Now we will read some of the steps how to reduce air pollution. Use of public transport like CNG buses, metros and trains. Yes, instead of the vehicles which are used. Next, step to reduce air pollution. First is use of public transport like CNG buses, metros and trains. Yes children, we should use the CNG buses. CNG gas is the eco-friendly gas and that is used in the buses, metros and trains. So we should avoid using the vehicles which are running with the petrol and diesel. Next is use of battery operated vehicles. Yes, we should use the battery operated vehicles instead of that vehicles which are running with the petrol and diesel. Next, use another fuel like CNG, solar energy, etc. Yes, solar energy and the CNG, the vehicles that are eco-friendly vehicles that are not harmful. So you should use that vehicles. Walk or ride a bicycle for short distances. Yes, if you can go by bicycle or you can by walking you can cover the distance, then you should use that instead of using the other vehicles. Next is planting of trees. Yes, we should plant more and more trees, because planting of trees, trees gives us oxygen, fresh oxygen. So if we plant more and more trees, then we will get the free medicine. Medicine means oxygen we are getting free of cost from the trees. So we should grow more and more trees, and we should save our environment. So by following all these things, we can reduce the air pollution. Okay children, now go through this. We will meet in the next video. By the time, take care. Goodbye.